Okay, so I climbed this tree because you need to see. Look at, can you see the back of the rainbow? There's a double one. And then the twin souls. But see, it's fair, but she's there coming in from behind. And she's looking at the rainbow in front of her. Yeah, baby! Who was brought because of the sun. The divine masculine bringing out.
Show them where you're at.
Here, I'll drop it. You want me to throw it to you?
No, show them where you're at.
You want me to throw it to you? Can you catch it? We're going down. Incoming. You want to try? Is it still playing? Still rolling. You're a monkey.
I'm a monkey. Hey, can we go over there and get a picture?